What's up, everybody? Ken here with your next Facebook function freebie. So everyone knows when you post on Facebook, only a small number of your friends will see that post. We've seen the memes, we've seen the challenges, somebody trying to figure out who sees your post. But did you know there is a built-in feature to help you target specific groups of friends? Custom lists on Facebook can help you out. You can group friends by interest or social group or whatever way you want to group them. I use custom lists to target my friends that may be interested in a product that I sell. For instance, websites. Most new businesses need websites. So I can post on my personal page and only my friends that just started a business will see that post. Let me show you how to find that feature. Alright, once you're into Facebook, go ahead and click on Friends. Then at the bottom of that list, you're going to see Custom Lists here on the left. Click that. At that list, you can see some of the already created stuff like Close Friends. But go ahead and click on Create List at the bottom. We're going to give this the name Business Owners, since we're going to target only business owners in my friends list. Click Confirm. Once it's there, you'll see it over here on the left, and then you're going to click Add Friends in the middle. And for this demonstration, I'm just going to select the first few people that pop up, but you can easily search for your friends and put those specific friends in your list just by clicking the little checkbox like this and then clicking Save Changes at the bottom. And you'll see they come up, and if you want to delete somebody, let's say I don't want John Anderson. Let's go ahead and take John Anderson out of the list. Okay, so now I just have these 5 people in my business owners list. Let's go back to Facebook, and when you go to make a post, you can see the drop down directly below your name will have all of your custom playlists or custom friends lists. Scroll down till you find business owners, select that, and now your post will be targeted directly to those people. It is difficult to go through your friends list and know who owns a business. You can get a good start by making a post like this. It's definitely not going to hit every business owner, but it is a good place to start. There you have it, folks, another Facebook function freebie. If you like this type of content, hit the like button. And if you like more, don't forget to subscribe. Need someone to manage your social media? We do that. Check out the link in the description below.